Good evening. A couple who imprisoned and almost starved to death their 4-year-old son in one of the state's most disturbing neglect cases has been jailed for 8 years. Tears in court from the criminal mother and the officers who uncovered her cruel crime as the judge told the parents animals care for their offspring better than you did.
Susie Moore will forever be tortured by the sight of the squalid prison in which her neighbours kept their 4-year-old boy.
It's cruel. The fact that they could do that to their own. It's emotionally heartbreaking.
She was blissfully unaware of the boy's living nightmare, locked in a room for 12 days without water, occasionally slid sachets of yogurt under the door.
That's what hurts me the most, that I didn't know. And I could have done something.
I never saw them at all, and I didn't even know he was there until the cops came and grabbed him.
It was confronting, it was emotional, but it is recognition that they saved that child's life.
Those officers were today in court to see the boy's 24-year-old mother and 28-year-old father jailed for at least 6 years. Police were called to the house for a domestic dispute in October last year, but they found a naked boy living in filth, covered in his own faeces, starving and so emaciated he could barely stand. He was 4 but weighed less than a 10-month-old.
We have all seen pictures of children living on rubbish tips in the third world. You don't expect to see that here in Adelaide.
The mother today wept uncontrollably as the judge told the couple that abandoned their most sacred duties as parents. Most of the animal kingdom do a better job of looking after their offspring.
They shouldn't be allowed to have children. Look what they did to their own.
Kim Robertson, 9 News.